Hello friend, I want to show you how to set up a website using WordPress.com. I'm going to show you the steps it takes to get your own domain and get it transferred into a hosting account. I know it sounds a little difficult, but when I show you how to do it, it's actually going to be really easy. So let's start out. Go to www.godaddy.com. You can see at the top where my cursor is located. You got godaddy.com. So you want to go to that website right there. When you get to godaddy.com, take a moment and think to yourself, what do you want your website to be called? What do you want to say in your website? The reason for this is you're going to need to pick a name for your website. Like my website, one of them that I have is somarketing.com because I'm doing marketing online, so that's what I need my website to be called. But you might want your name to be like, a lot of times people take their first and last name because they want it to be about them and what they're doing in their ministry or their life, share your life. So a lot of people have for me it would be like michaellewis.com. Unfortunately, that name is taken already, so I would have to come up with something else. But you can see what's available. When you're on GoDaddy.com, go to right here where it says start your domain. Search here. You want to think of a name that you can use. So just think of a name for one of my friends, Daniel Ricketts. Let's see here if danielricketts.com is available. So we can click go, and it'll come here, and it'll say danielricketts.com is available. So that is available, and let's say I'm like, I don't want that name. Go right back up here where there's this search feature, click and start domain search, and say nope, don't want that. I want my website to be called, I don't know, I'm just gonna make something up. Website for you now. We'll see if that's available. It's probably not. And you click go, and see it says websiteforyounow.com is already taken. It's better to get a .com because .com is the best option, but you could get what they recommend below, which you see right here where my mouse is. It says websiteforyounow.info, websiteforyounow.net. You see the prices. .info is not a very common one, but it is the cheapest. It's only 89 cents. .coms are only about $11, and .net's range about 13, and .org is about 15. So those are available. If you wanted it, you just click there, and then you scroll down. You go to continue to registration. So there we have that, but we don't want that name. So let's think of something else. Let's go back to the Daniel Ricketts one. So, friend of mine. So danielricketts.com is available. So you see that would be checked there, and then it gives you the options of .net, .org. If you are in ministry or you have an organization, .org might be the one you want to take. But a lot of people, the most common one is going to be .com because that's the one people remember the best. So you go here, down, continue to registration, and thing about GoDaddy is they're going to try to upsell you on a lot of things. Just go ahead and say no thanks on everything. So you just pass it. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create your domain registration information, which you'll put your name there, your email. Don't worry about putting a company because you don't have a company unless you do. Put your address here, city here, state, zip code, phone number, and then continue. Once you continue, it's going to walk you through step 2, step 3, and step 4. Step 3, your domain settings. Again, you're going to want to go here. Once you get to step 2, you're going to want a registration link. You're probably going to just want to mark that as 1 year because you don't really want to pay 5 years in advance because you want to make sure the website name and everything's going to work out for you. You can always upgrade that to more than 1 year later on. So that'll give you that option, then you'll continue, and it'll bring you over here to step 3. Step 3, it will try to upsell you on some more stuff, and basically just pass that. Then go to step 4, activate your domain. Again, it'll try to upsell you on stuff. Just go past everything and check out. We'll see here if it'll allow me to do that without putting any information in. It's not going to allow me to do that, but basically it's going to walk you through the steps. You just want to make sure that you fill out the information correctly, and let's go on to video number 2, and I will show you how to do the next step. Okay?